Subs Auto is really good. I trusted you well sa unit ko. Napakaganda kasi talaga. Napakalinaw ng camera. For you to make it sure na safe ang family mo, I want to make it sure also na maganda yung quality na ilalagay sa unit ko. That's the reason why I trusted Subs Auto regarding that unit.
Good day everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Lipa, Batangas and we're here with Sir Harich. So si Sir Harich po, grabe, sobrang loyal customer na po natin. Yan, ever since 2021 po. Yes. So marami na rin yung sasakyan yung nag-installa ng Subs Auto. So isa na yung Hilux niya, Vios, Toyota Rush, saka itong bago-bago na sasakyan ni Sir, yung Toyota Grandia 2025. So, Sir Harich, maraming salamat po sa tiwala nito.
Ay, it's okay. Subs Auto is really good. I trusted you well sa unit ko. Napakaganda kasi talaga. Napakalinaw ng camera. The same time, yun yun, since 2021 until now, 4 years. Ay, how many years now? Alam niyo yun, walang nagiging problem. I'm just telling the truth. I don't like to be scripted yung nangyayari. So talagang Subs Auto is really good.
What made you decide po na kami po yung mapili nyo po na i-upgrade po yung
Unit?
Yes.
Actually, to tell you honestly, under warranty pa siya ng Toyota. Yun yung totoo. Toyota Philippines, nag-offer sila sa akin to put some 360 camera also to that unit. Same price with the price that we have. Laki ng tiwala ko sa Subs Auto. Yung first unit na nilagyan nyo ko ng 360 niyan, wala naging problem. Napakalinaw ng camera. Ang calibration, perfect. Yung mga gumagawa, very friendly. Mga kaibigan ko na sila. At the same time, napakaayos ng gawa ng Subs Auto. For you to make it sure na safe ang family mo, I want to make it sure also na maganda yung quality na ilalagay sa unit ko. So that's the reason why I trusted Subs Auto regarding that unit.
When it comes po sa head unit natin, di ba po, upgraded na rin yung nilagay natin. So what features po talaga yung nag-convince sa inyo na what made you decide po?
Una, ang linaw ng camera. It's Sony. Wala tayo, no question at all. Pag Sony talagang malinaw. Sa gabi, malinaw din. Yung 360 niya, yung calibration niya, sakto. As in, you know what, hindi nagkakamali. Yun talaga yun, sukat. Pangalawa, easy to touch. Maganda talaga lahat. Maganda lahat.